Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your guitar. A well-adjusted instrument makes playing much more enjoyable and helps you sound your best. We'll go through the 3 main steps: adjusting the neck relief, setting the string height, and finally, fine-tuning the intonation. These steps are fundamental for any guitar, whether it's electric or acoustic, and will significantly improve your playing experience. Let's dive in and get your guitar playing perfectly. Next, let's tackle neck relief, which is the slight forward curve of your guitar's neck. To check it, hold down the low E string at the 1st fret and simultaneously at the 17th fret. Then, look at the gap between the bottom of the string and the top of the 8th fret. You're aiming for a gap roughly the thickness of a business card, which is about 10/1000ths of an inch. Turn the truss rod clockwise to reduce relief or counterclockwise to increase it, making small quarter-turn adjustments. Now, let's adjust the string height, also known as the action, which greatly impacts how easy your guitar is to play. Measure the distance from the bottom of the string to the top of the 12th fret. For electric guitars, a good starting point is often 5/64ths of an inch for the low E string and 3/64ths of an inch for the high E string. You can raise or lower individual strings by adjusting the screws on the bridge saddles. Take your time and find what feels most comfortable for your playing style. Finally, we'll fine-tune your guitar's intonation, which ensures that every note plays in tune all the way up the neck. First, play the open string and then the harmonic at the 12th fret, checking them with a tuner. Next, fret the note at the 12th fret and compare it to the open string. If the fretted note is sharp, move the bridge saddle backward. If it's flat, move it forward. Repeat this process for each string until all notes are perfectly in tune.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.